Moonchan だよ。Let's learn Japanese with me.
Today we are going to learn about kara and node. Kara and node means because in English. These are used to express cause and effect. Let's see the example sentences. 眠いから寝ます。眠いので寝ます。眠い means sleepy. Kara and node means because. 寝ます means go to bed. Tell the reason before kara or node. Then say what you do. These are how to make a sentence of the reason part using kara. When using a verb, just add kara to plain form of the verb. Verbs can also be used in past tense form. For example, 泣いたから、泣いたから。And it adjectives plus から、かわいいから。Because it's pretty. Nouns change to だから。雨だから。Because it's rain. Now adjectives also use だから。簡単だから。Because it's easy. Then this is how to use ので。Verb plus ので。泣いたので。い adjective plus ので。かわいいので。Nouns change to なので。So 雨なので。な adjectives also use なので。簡単なので。Basically, ので is politer and milder expression than から。Japanese grammar textbook says that から includes speaker's judgments. On the other hand, ので is just telling a fact. But how can we choose から or ので depending on the situation? Let's take a look at this example sentence. 雨が降ったからキノコが生えました。雨が降ったのでキノコが生えました。雨が降った means it rained. キノコ means mushroom. 生えた means grew. Both sound the same to me. You can choose either. Then how about this situation? A kid is dancing on a furniture. Which should I choose? 危ないからやめなさい。Stop it because it's dangerous. Or 危ないのでやめなさい。If I were the mom of the kid, I would choose から because I use から in casual conversations. On top of that, ので sounds milder to stop the kid's dangerous action. If I were a teacher, both are acceptable. ので is milder. It's your choice, depends on the situation. The next example is the situation I recommend you to choose ので。電車が遅れたから遅刻しました。I was late because the train was delayed. 電車が遅れたので遅刻しました。In the situation that you need to make an excuse to your client, boss, or teacher about what you did, you'd better choose ので。から might sound arrogant for some listeners in this situation. It might sound like, I am late because the train was delayed. But in fact, I think it's not a matter of which you choose. It's just a matter of the attitude toward the listener. If you make an excuse to your friends, kara is fine. ごめんね。電車が遅れたから、遅れそう。先に行ってて。後で追いつくから。Sorry, the train was delayed, so I'm running late. You can go ahead, I'll catch up. So, in formal conversations, use ので. And when making an excuse to authorities or senior people, use ので. And other than that, it's your choice. That's pretty it. 今日の授業はおしまいです。またね。
You did great today. またね。Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you.